Gentlemen, welcome back to another My Plane Experience video, and today we're at Gatwick Air Museum with a very special guest.
Kofu Plays.
Last time we did a collab was at London Stansted Airport as for a plane spotting video. So here we're at Gatwick Air Museum. Well, this is really cool. So we're going to be searching this, maybe look at some plane. Some of the old British Airways liveries there. Gatwick are planning to build a new runway. Construct to do late 2024, 2025. 13 years hopefully. Europe. Down here, scheduled route network map. Down here. Some history here. I don't know if you can read that, but I'll show you it. Leave that for a bit. Here are some more British Airways here. British Air Tours. Oh, cool. Real aviation enthusiasts will know this stuff. We love this plane. Very cool. Also, there's one there. That looks like the old Gatwick there. John Paul arrives at Gatwick in Alitalia 727 for its first back-out tour of the UK. Cool. Oh, Thompson there. Let's say 380 landing. Starts first schedule A380 service on 6th of July. Very nice. We'll have a look at the Monarchs. The old livery. Right, so that looks like Monarchs. Apparently Monarch is apparently going to come back someday, it says.
The guy said he wants to know whether we think it will be worth it.
There's some of the retro liveries, some of the new liveries. Sadly, Monarch did go out of business quite a few years ago, sadly. British United Airways, I've heard of them before. This is so cool. Here are some of the mannequin. This is very cool. Air Europe up there. Very cool.
Massive engine here.
Wonder what aircraft this could be.
If you know, comment down below.
It looks like it could be a Dreamliner. That's sort
The
of,
size of it.
does look massive. There's a big surprise next though. Just wait till you see this next thing. Very cool Royal Navy plane this is. There's another big plane over here. China Eastern 777. Wow, that is a big plane. It's beautiful. We got this plane here as well. Another Royal Navy. Wait, it looks like there was a massive plane. That's really cool. awesome. Oh, so cool.
We're going to go inside the suit. Can't wait for that.
Okay,
Look at this.
it's gonna be so cool. That looks like Kenya. Kenya? No, Malta Air. Malta Air. It's awesome. It's a bit rocky in here. Sorry.
Yeah, well, I mean, every crew had a ration thing. I mean, so things like he knew what.
Cool.
Now it looks like a rest area. Avro, when they built the aeroplane, thought long range maritime patrol. They
Blue here. Probably going to New York, I guess.
Uniforms as well.
Oh yeah, and uniforms. Oh, it's a Rolls Royce engine. Yeah, they do plane engines nowadays as well. The Royal Navy. Looks like.
It's a Harrier over there.
Oh yeah. This looks like a massive seaplane.
Yeah, I'm sure it is. Keep happening. New York colours.
Wow. Sick. That looks so cool. There is a Harrier over here. I think this is the Harrier. Yeah, the Pegasus 103. Yeah, Harrier. That's sick. Right, there's some aircraft seats over here. Gotta try some of these out. Definitely premium.
Oh my gosh, it's an Emirates.
Is it?
That's Lufthansa, it's Lufthansa.
Lufthansa. Up there. This looks like a tiny engine here. Them seats look lovely. Oh, like to go on them. Another jet engine there. Lots of De Havilland Goblin. So De Havilland Goblin. Big aircraft wheel there. Oh, some more seats here. And there's the Royal Navy plane again. More plane models. Wait, is that a Blackbird? It's a Blackbird. Oh, it's a Blackbird. Lots of US Air Force planes there. Sliding, a small little airplane as well. Cool. inside. Nice.
Oh, they've even matched the weird steering wheel movement.
Yeah, that's
They
good.
both move when turning.
Can you move it?
Oh, you can, bro. This is sick. It's like being in an actual plane.
Turning stuff. It's sick.
I don't think you can move these now.
No.
There's even like, I'm pretty sure, oh yeah, pedals.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, and
pedals.
there's the headphones with the headphones and
The pedals down there.
speakers.
Got the old Concorde here. Some retro Concorde there. Old stuff. That is amazing. Seats here.
That's definitely economy.
Wait, this is the current flight here. Quite hard to see, but
James Bond bar.
oh, that looks cool.
Coming in the Virgin Atlantic experience, A350.
Yeah, it's going to be amazing. We're allowed to sit down? Yeah. Really? This is so cool.
This is really cool, bro.
This is what it feels like to be in Virgin upper class. It's very soft here. This is beautiful.
That's the
Going
A350 first class. That is actually sick.
It's got real cabin noises as well.
I was going to say in a video to my mum saying
This one is
I've
like
actually
that.
got lost.
I think this is the loft here in a real A350 of Virgin Atlantic. It's like the lounge area. This is called the loft.
Don't go out there.
This is just like upper class. This is awesome. Pretty good leg room.
Really good.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't think that button is working. Awesome. Very good legroom that is. We've got the brakes here.
Joystick. Yeah, nice. I would love to own this. Or emergency.
It's awesome.
I'll do mine first, right? Here in the cockpit.
Look here, seats look a bit uncomfortable, but there you go. Bolts there.
Your mind playing experiences.
Yo,
You have to admit this is a pretty vintage plane.
it is very old. Very cool. We're going to have a look at the cockpit in a second. Cockpit. Oh, we can move these. Sick.
Barack Obama.
Looking very nice and neat. We've got Saudi Arabia plane here. Unfortunately, Gatwick's plane spotting area was waterlogged, so we couldn't do it. So we're heading over to Heathrow to plane spot there. We are deciding, and we're going to this place called Myrtle Avenue, where there's another place where we could go to. But it's going to be very fun. So thank you so much for watching, and see you soon. See ya.